How to configure a button to pop up or open a screen. Select Graphics. Click to edit. Select Button Control. Click on the control to modify the control name. Right-click the button control. Select the action, select to open the page. Find the flowchart that needs to be opened by the button. Press the button to open the page and the settings are completed. Create a new pop-up page button. Right-click the button control. Select the action, select the pop-up page. Find the flowchart that needs to be opened by the button. Click Save. Configuration Publish. Strut Monitoring. User Login. Select Graphic. Effect Display.